Who wants to take a boring vacation? Certainly not you. That's why you're going to love traveling in the 2026 Palladium 1930. This is your off-grid, go anywhere, stay as long as you want adventure van. So let's talk about the upfit. This is a Ford Transit all-wheel drive chassis. When we get it in, it's a plain-looking Ford Transit all-wheel drive chassis. And then we BA-ify it. How? Check it out. 3-inch lift, black wheels, all-terrain tires, heavy-duty rock rails that run from front to back. This will take you anywhere, right? You have drive modes on here. You have this great body cladding, so when you're off-grid, off the trail, it's not going to ding up your paint. It's going to hit this plastic. Now, if you're worried about getting your paint dinged up and maybe some pinstripes when you're heading down some of those tight trails, Diamond Shield front paint protection. This is a great looking van, isn't it? The blacked out wheels, you have this nice honeycomb grille with the marker lights by Xenon headlights. Let's do a little fun fact while we walk around. Did you know Xenon, when it was discovered in, I want to say it was late 1800s, like 1898, so I will, by Sir William Ramsay, xenon means strange gas. So that is just your useless trivia for the day. Over here on our driver's side, that body cladding continues, nice solid rock rail all the way down. Your fuel fill is here, and this is one of the other great features of this Palladium. All your connections are right here and laid out for you, so you're not opening compartments and fumbling for keys in the dark when you get to wherever it is you're going late, because that will happen if you're going to an RV resort and if you are exploring new trails. May be dark out. Well, you can turn on this puddle light. We'll show you where. If you have access to shore power, you can plug in here. Now, if you are off-grid and you do not have shore power, here's what's great. In this configuration right now, this comes standard with a 2800 watt gas generator and 200 amp hours of lithium batteries. If you're thinking, well, I need more lithium, you can get the reliable power pack. That is going to give you 400 amp hours of lithium batteries, a 3000 watt pure sine inverter, an underhood 275 amp alternator. And what's really cool about the alternator is it was designed by Arco for the Palladium, and there's a Bluetooth app. So you can monitor exactly what that alternator is doing, and you get auto start on here as well. So when you are away, you hit auto start, and when those batteries drop down to where it's like, hey, listen, I need a little more juice, the Palladium will fire up for you. So depending on how you want to outfit it, very, very cool options there. Right here we have cable. If you need more than the 200 watts of solar charging that comes standard, this is where you're going to plug in. When you want to connect, a couple ways to do that. The Palladium comes standard with the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. If you would like Starlink, there is your prep, so you can connect no matter where you are. This is going to be the exhaust for your Truma. You have the Truma on board that's going to give you heat and hot water. We'll show you how to work that when we go in. Fill up your fresh water right here. It is lockable. We get down to the back again, more of that nice body cladding. City fill is right here, and then we get around to our wet bath. Lots and lots of space in here. You have privacy covers back here, so right, you can be private. You have your toilet, which is a cassette toilet, 4.75 gallons, flip down sink. Your shower is on a wand, medicine cabinet back here, large closet, drawers. The curtain pulls all the way around. Then over here we have 110s, 12 volt. Water pump, the light that we had on over there, the puddle light, that is how you turn that on. And we have an exterior shower right here. Little storage cubby here. We have that 30 amp shore power cord stored right here. And for your gray water, if you're thinking, where am I going to store that? Did you see this? Did you catch that? Look at this right here. Can store that right here, and it's up high, it's on top of the rock rail. So if you are If you're getting some articulation there, that is going to stay nice and safe. Now you are set up. You know how to use the bathroom. You want to relax, you want to unwind. Let's talk about all the features over here on our campsite. Cable connection over here as well. Maybe you have a TV with you and you connect it to either the Starlink or the Winegard, and it's a smart TV, stream all you want. You can plug it in right here. GFCI outlets. Right down here is an exterior propane connection. So say you have one of those little portable griddles and you're out somewhere like this, you don't feel like driving into town, you can plug that in right to there, make your own meals outside in your 1930. That's an awesome feature. Then as we work our way around here, we have a Thule awning up top. So one touch, control that with Rapid Camp Plus. Now Rapid Camp Plus is where you're gonna take and check your tank levels, turn on your lights, put out the awning, everything you wanna do from the main screen or the mobile app. Awning is out. We're set up, we're relaxing. We wanna go inside. How about this? You're sitting down and you have the screen pulled. This is pretty cool. You can take the screen, roll it all the way out, zip it up like this. Now you're inside. You're catching the breeze, but the bugs are not coming inside. And look at this, you have ventilation in this window here with the screen. Another window over there. You all have screens there as well, so you're gonna take and you're gonna get that nice ventilation no matter where you happen to be. We're gonna take and roll this right back. We're gonna head inside and show you around. What's really neat about this floor plan here, so this is going to be a twin to king bed, so gonna have seat belts for 4 in here and sleeping for 2. Battery disconnect switch is right there in this configuration. This is going to be the switch to turn on your 1000 watt inverter. Again, if you have the reliable power pack, that is a 3000 watt pure sine inverter. Right here is a mount for your lagoon table. 2 places that you can set up your lagoon table. Right here, or you can take and set it up in between the sofas. If it's here, these seats spin around, so you can use this as a little workstation, however you want to use it. Pretty cool. That takes us right into our kitchen. We have a fully stocked fridge. Chocolate milk, lots of dairy, fruit, eggs, all the food groups you need when you are on vacation. 12-volt fridge there. Pull out drawer here with the cutting board, so that is nice. Electric induction cooktop that is portable. So we have it plugged in here, but if you would like to take this outside, have your fish fry outside, you can do that right here. We have our sink with a pull-down sprayer. Nice cover for the sink. Our microwave is right up here. Another window right here. So tons of ventilation. If you like cross ventilation, you can get it if you need to fire up that AC, an 11,000 BTU AC on board. As we step in, right here, these are the controls for your Truma. Again, heat and hot water. You can set timers on here. Super handy to have. And then right here is Rapid Camp Plus. Then we get into the living area. So you can see I'm standing in these shoes, 6'1". I still have plenty of headroom, 79 inches of ceiling height in here. Plenty of storage on each side, 3 cabinets over here. Load up all your gear. 3 more cabinets over here. Load up more gear. In this bay here, Starlink port, cable, 110, USB A and C, and an HDMI. And if you want to put a TV inside, you can mount that right here. You can see this is all prepped. Here's your HDMI and your cable and your 110. You also have some 110s here, push button reading lights, a window with, check this out, right? Nice blinds here, over here, and in the kitchen. And then we have privacy shades to put up around the driver and passenger windows in the windshield, even on the giant sliding glass door. Good look in here. This is a nice soft touch material. This is well-formed walls in here. So this is custom for this Palladium 1930. There's insulation behind there. Just gives it a nice look, and again, nice soft material. Let's sit down on our sofa. Here is the other mount for the lagoon table. So you have that set up and you can use it for meals or games or work, whatever you need. Tons of room on this sofa. When you are ready to sleep for the night, all you have to do, you can see right over here. So this is gonna slide out and then you connect it here You can see under here, there's little places that you're gonna lock that in, and then you take and you slide your cushions over, and now you have this wonderful wall-to-wall bed. Seat belts again for the ride back here on the sofa. These are the doors to your wet bath. Really just a great way to travel and a great drive. What I really like about this Ford all-wheel drive chassis is, one, it's all-wheel drive. It's peppy. For a van, this thing scoots. 310 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque, 10-speed transmission right here. You have your remote mirrors, auto headlights, electronic parking brake, adaptive cruise control. In the middle here, nice mix of analog and digital gauges, trip meters, maintenance reminders, all the things that you need right there, and a number of different menus. You can even tweak some of your safety settings in here. And this is just loaded. You have built-in navigation here. I mean, this connects to your devices as well. Apple CarPlay, you have Android Auto on here. Let's hit up our apps, see what that's all about. There's your CarPlay, there's your Android Auto. You can also download some mobile apps on there, Amazon Alexa, which is crazy cool. So you could order something and then, you know, have it delivered to your campsite. So after you have your radio and your playlist and everything up here dialed in, you may want to tweak some of your safety settings. This thing is packed. Traction control, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision assist, speed sign recognition, lane keeping assist, driver alert, cross traffic alert, so if somebody comes in front of you there, and then you have your adaptive cruise control, you have a speed limiter. And what's really nice about this is some of these you can toggle on and off, like say the blind spot, for example, when you're going down a tight trail and you know that it's a tight trail, but that blind spot's gonna be going bing, 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 bing. So you can go ahead and turn that off, and then you are all set to go wherever you want to go. Another really cool safety feature, when you put this in reverse, you're going to have a backup camera here, but you can tweak it. Look at this. You have this view right now, or you can have this ultra wide view. Pretty neat. You can also turn off your parking assist when you are backing in again. You're not going to get some of those warning beeps, but pretty neat feature to have on your Palladium. Plenty of space for cup holders here. You have a USB port there, 12 volt there, 12 volt here, USB-C, a lot of storage here. Storage up top. These are the privacy shades I was talking about. So really, it's everything you could want in a van under 20 feet long. It is the Palladium 1930, and you can build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.